From SIPE Connect and StrueBIM Steel, we can import structures using an XML file generated by SAP 2000. To do this, we need it to include both the model definition tables and the bar force tables. First, we import the XML file directly from within the program by selecting the StrueBIM Uploader option. We can choose whether we want to import an XML file from eTabs or from SAP 2000. Next, we select the file we want to use and link it to a project in BIM Server Center. This project can be a new one or one that we have already created. After completing these steps, the program will open automatically with the file loaded and ready to be used. If we are already in the general program interface, we can also access the StrueBIM Uploader option to upload the eTabs or SAP 2000 XML files directly from there.